today's video we have got question which is square root of 3x over x which equal to 5, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So solution, and you have to copy what you have, of course. Square root of 3x over x equal to 5, and what you have is to do this. When you write 3x squared, this is equal to 3x power 1 over a 2. This 1 over 2 replace square root we have above, okay? And down here we have x which equal to a 5, okay? You can separate them on the top to write 3 power 1 over a 2 times x power 1 over a 2 over x power 1 equal to 5. And when we use this method, it helps you to get the real answer only, okay? So that, and we have this one 3 which power 1 over 2 means square root, times, I'm going to group this one to say x power 1 over a 2 minus a 1 equal to a 5, okay? Square root of a 3 times x power negative 1 over a 2 equal to a 5, okay? So that here square root of a 3 over square root of x, that is what we say, x power 1 negative 1 over 2 means over square root of x equal to a 5, okay? So that by cross multiplication we say square root of a 3 equal to square root of x times a 5, okay? Then by square both sides, we shall say 3 equal to 25 times x, okay? 25x, okay? Then by 25 by 25, all right? Then right here x equal to 3 over 25. And if you are the subscriber and before all the video, you have to check all your answer if it is correct, okay? We have given right here square root of 3x over x which equal to a 5, okay? And down here we have square root of 3x, and that is a 9 over 25, okay, over 3 over 25 equal to 5 question mark. And we shall have square root of 9 which is equal to a 3 over a 5 times this one 25 over a 3 which equal to a 5 question mark, okay? This and this 25 over 5 equal to 5 over a 5, to mean that left hand side equal to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.